Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard for gym. Gym advertising. It is essential to know your target customers before you start with your ads. Are you aiming for a specific age group or gender? Were you after a specific location? Your keyword is essential for you to reach your target client. You need to carefully choose the best keywords, and with TrafficGuard's assistance, we can convert those clicks/visits to your websites into new members. Here's what we can do. Ad fraud protection, PPC protection, impression level protection. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.